This is for all my Filipino subscribers right here. Got sisig. Oof. You got same thing. If you guys don't know what sisig is, it's like pork in like a sour citrus lemony juice. It got like onions and stuff in it. Pair it with rice. The best thing ever. It was so good. This thing is looking hella good. I literally haven't started this thing in over a week. Literally just been sitting here. I've been driving the FRS a lot. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. It's probably gonna be super loud because like I said, I haven't started it in like a week. So let's see. Sounds so good. As you guys just saw right now, we just dropped off t-shirts to get printed for the third merch drop. Super excited for this merch drop. This is more of like a simple, well, okay, I'm not gonna talk much about this whole merch drop. You guys don't have to wait for that. This merch drop goes for like the colors of both of the cars. So obviously you can tell the car is sand and the FRS is like a dark red. That's all I'm gonna say about the new merch drop, is that it's like based around the colors. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the next merch drop within a week or two. I want to say like a few weeks from now. If you guys are not following Borgia Supply yet on Instagram, be sure to follow that Instagram as well as my personal one, just for more updates. I feel like I put more updates on Instagram. So if you guys want to stay up to date on the merch drop, be sure to follow both of those accounts. So my friend posted on his story like last week this set of ramps right here, and I was super interested to try them out because as you guys can see, the car is super low, especially in the front. Like there's no way you'd be able to fit a jack under this. Like there's no way, this thing sits way too low. The cool thing is I got these off of Amazon for like 50 bucks, so it's super cheap. And if these things work, then it's gonna be like amazing because it'll save so much time like not having to take the bumper off of the car. Because literally every time I want to jack the car up, I have to take off the front bumper, and it just takes up a lot of time, even though it's kind of fast to take the bumper off. But it'd just be so much easier if I didn't have to do that. Let's go ahead and see if these ramps actually work. Do you think the jack will be able to fit under the car? I don't know.
Yeah?
I'm not sure. That bumper is pretty low. All right guys, let's go ahead and see if these $50 Amazon ramps actually work. Bro, what the heck? That's crazy. Dude, I felt that. I almost went over. All right, perfect. Got it on the ramp. Not bad. Ooh, I think we'll be able to fit it under.
You applied an oil change without lifting the car now.
Yeah, right. That's pretty sick though. I think I'm gonna be able to fit the jack under. Damn. It literally fits perfect. Oh my gosh, you know how much time this would save? I'm so happy I don't have to take this bumper off every single time I need to lift the car up. So we just got all 4 wheels off of the FRS. And I think it was last vlog we went to the tire shop to take these tires off, but we have to go back there today again to remove all 4 of the tires off of these wheels. So as you can see, these wheels are filthy. The lips are absolutely disgusting. All of this stuff does not come off. I'm pretty sure it's from brake dust. I'm super bad with cleaning my wheels and my car in general. I would literally leave brake dust on my wheels for so long, and some of this stuff does not even come off. Like, this is like permanent brake dust. Like, all these spots right here, they don't come off whatsoever. So I need to clean these wheels up so bad. And from the previous owner of these wheels, there is quite a bit of damage. So there's a little bend right here. He told me he hit like a curb. So there's like this huge chip right here. Like, this is, I've never seen anything like this before. So we definitely need to repair this. There is some curb rash on some. There's more bends right here. So pretty much every single lip needs some work. It's like a full repolish. I need to repair all these little dents right here. So I'm gonna be removing all these tires and I'm gonna drop them off at a local guy that has basically been rebuilding my wheels like for years now. The only guy I take my wheels to, Chamorro Boy 86. He does everything. He's like the wheel guy for the area. So he's rebuilt like my VSKFs, my Infinite Works, my Heritage wheels, like so many of my wheels. Like the only guy that touches my wheels. So he's gonna take care of these. He's gonna make them look brand new again. I feel like this is like one of the biggest flaws of the car. Like, the wheels are always dirty. They just look disgusting. So they definitely need some treatment. So I'm super excited on that. I definitely can't wait to see them in their finished state. Dude, the two look so sick together. Both sandstorms. The Mustang all aired out. It looks so freaking sick seeing them both of them together. This is actually my dad's truck right here. It's not mine. I wish it was, but wow. These wheels have definitely seen some better days. Oh, it's so filthy. Look at that. Jeez. Big old chunk right here. Gosh. Alright guys, so I gotta get to working on the FRS right now. Get this thing off of jack stands because I have to pull in the Mustang into the garage to start working on that. Got a few things we gotta install on the Mustang today, but that's for a separate video. But yeah, I am super happy with these ramps, literally for such a cheap price, and how it just works with the car, especially how low the front bumper sits. I was surprised, honestly, not gonna lie, I was doubting these ramps. I wouldn't think it would actually lift the car up that much. If you guys are interested in purchasing these ramps, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. That will take you straight to Amazon where I got these ramps from. Super cheap and affordable, literally like 50 something bucks. And these things just, they work, and that's all that matters. Perfect for a low car. If you're stanced, or even just like this, and need some extra space to fit like a jack under. These things are literally perfect. I can't stress how easy and like effective they were to getting the car up on jack stands. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on working on the Mustang. We got a few things we gotta put on the Mustang, a few small mods that I'll make a video on for you guys. If you guys are just as excited as I am to get these things repaired and refinished and pretty much looking brand new, drop a thumbs up on this video right here. And also, if you guys are excited on the new merch shop that's coming up, we got the ball rolling right now. We got the shirts getting made as we speak right now. We just got so much to look forward to, so I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. With that being said, I hope you all have a good one today, and I will catch you all in the next one.